far.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Alright folks, the hike commences from Besakih Temple up to Mount Agung. At the top, 3,142 meters. We're starting at 1,150 meters. It's going to be roughly 2,000 meters, and we're expected to do it in under 7 hours. Up at the top, roughly at sunrise. See you at the top. Altitude 1,645 meters, 500 meters of ascent in the books. We are pacing quite well. 1,500 meters of ascent left. We're in the deep jungle for probably the next 2.5 hours, and then we're gonna have some more rocks. We are officially at 2,000 meters of altitude, which means we've ascended 861 meters of the 2,000 meters we need to ascend. The last 400 to 500 meters have been very steep and very sandy, very slippery. I definitely don't have the right shoes for this, but we're gonna power through with my Reeboks.
Fino a alto siamo praticamente all'altezza del cratere adesso, no?
No, manca ancora un po'.
Il cratere è
2009.
9?
Sì. Alright, so we are at 2,600 meters of altitude. 4 hours and 56 minutes in. We are hitting the rocks section of the hike, and we have roughly 500 meters left. Folks, the excitement is starting. We are officially at 2,870 meters, 280 meters of altitude to go. We start seeing some light. I don't know if you see it, but we're getting close. 290 meters. Probably 20-30 minutes to go. Light is up, opening up. This is why we do it, folks. Tomorrow we're gonna party. We're gonna Savaya, Watu, Diplo on the decks. And today, connect with nature. 2,000 meters ascent, 7 hours and 15 minutes to make it happen. 3,142 meters conquered. It was a blast. And now we hit the descent. This descent is gnarly. It is dangerous. It is so slippery out here. Very sandy, gravel-like, typical of a volcano, and definitely not the best shoes.